turn all this into these. I am the Great British Chocolatier and you're watching Chocolate Plus. Hello and welcome to another episode of Chocolate Plus. My name is Mark, aka the Great British Chocolatier, and today, as you can see, we are going to be making quite a lot of different things for Halloween. We're going to be making monsters out of pretzels, pretzel bowls, pretzel rods, marshmallows, and the famous Oreos and the Rice Krispie treats. And without further ado, we're going to start melting the chocolate. So as you know, we have to put on our gloves to keep everything nice and clean. And we're going to start melting, I think, the orange chocolate right now. So, like I said, you can buy these at Michael's or any craft store. These are candy chocolate, which means they've taken out the cocoa butter and replaced it with a vegetable oil. And this particular brand tastes real good. So, I'm going to forward this along, but you know it's 3 rounds for 30 seconds and you stir each time. So, we've done it many times before. So, I'm going to start melting the chocolate and I'll be right back. Okay, so it looks like it needs a few more seconds in the microwave. So remember, if we do put it in for a fourth time, we're going to do it for about 10 to 15 seconds at a time. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So we're going to do these little marshmallow bowls, and we're going to just dip them in the chocolate like before, display them here, and then I have these little eyes to put on, which will be fun. All right, that's that. That looks good. See, it's a little bit more loose, and just knocking the chocolate that's on the fork. And while this is finishing off, I'm going to put the green in the microwave too. And that goes in for 30 seconds. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to make sure I get my eyeballs ready. I may have the bigger ones, which should be fun. Look at these things. These are little candy eyeballs as we make our little chocolate monsters. And we're just going to tap off the excess chocolate and drop them down. Oops, never mind about that. I should have scraped off the fork. Alright, need another fork. And as you know, the first time it doesn't really melt a lot. And I'm guessing I don't often use the colored chocolate, so they may need an extra short round in the microwave. But we're just going to dunk a few in here because I'm going to make like I said, quite a few of the different items that we have. And we're gonna, the reason with the bowl pretzel I've got to knock out the chocolate is because we have the holes, and the chocolate will cover up those big holes, and I want the holes to show. Alright. And you could use your finger to this. Or just make sure that you keep one clean hand to scrape off the chocolate. Okay. out. And there we go, just second stir. And again, the reason why you want to stir every time is because you're distributing that heat around. This is green, look at that funky green right there. I've used this before at Christmas time to make Christmas trees from out of chocolate. And that's good. And again, don't worry about chocolate sticking on the fork because it's going to come out in the third round. Alright, so we're just going to do maybe a dozen of these because they are small. And I don't want the chocolate to harden up before I put the eyes on them, because these are like little pumpkins. Let me just stop that. Okay, we got what, 7 there. So let's get some eyes on these things. And there, you can put 2 eyes on them. You can put 3 eyes. They can be like little pumpkins. And I'm just dropping them on, as you can see. And the funny thing is, they got different size pupils by the looks of it. And these are like a non, I tasted them, they're like a vanilla-y, but wacky, but that's okay, because these are pretzel monsters, or pumpkins, and we're just gonna drop them in. I'm gonna try to, now I'm gonna move the camera, and hopefully I don't mess anything up, so you can see. Here we go. Alright, there we go. And as you see, look at that. Isn't that fun? And just dropping them on like so. And they're gonna land wherever they land. But it just gives them a little bit of a character. Like so. Alright. Just put it back over here. And hopefully now we're still in line. Alright, let me get this out, the green chocolate. So it does seem, see, this one's melted a lot more. It does seem with the colored chocolate that you're gonna need maybe a 4th round of 10, 15. I'm just gonna check the camera, so I'll be right back. Okay, everything looks good, so we're just going to stir this around, getting those last few remaining chunks out there. So I'm going to put it on the side, and let's do some marshmallows, because I want to. Okay, that's what we do, and we just all the colored chocolate is flavored of vanilla. I mean, you can flavor it yourself if you wanna, you know. And I'm gonna lay these down. I'm gonna probably lay these down on their side because I want to put eyes in them. And I should have got my my lollipop sticks, but that's okay. I didn't, so we're not going to do that. But if you're enjoying this video, hit that thumbs up button. And hit the, if you haven't subscribed yet, also subscribe. Thank you for those who have subscribed so far. Really appreciate it. And what's the other one? Oh, if you hit subscribe, hit that bell. And you can also share the video to your family and friends so that they can enjoy and make these things at home too. So these are very whimsical, fun things to do. As we know, Halloween is coming around the corner. And these are just nice little party treats that you can make if you have a party. You can impress them with your chocolate making skills. because not everybody does this. Okay, now this chocolate is a little bit firmer than it should be, but that's okay because it's getting colder. So when the chocolate gets cold, it starts to firm up a lot. But we want these kind of looking a little bit wacky because these are going to be like tiny little pumpkins, and so that's good. And then we're going to do some drizzling. I'm going to put eyes on these two, and then we got a lot of different textures on them. As we know, monsters don't have smooth skin. Apologies to all the monsters out there, because if you do have smooth skin, then there you go. But in general, we see them as a little bit different than everybody else. Let's do one more. Look at that. That's a oddly shaped, smaller shaped one. But pumpkins, as we know, comes in all different shapes and sizes. And that's fine. Alright, so now that that's done, let's put it outside. I'm going to stick some eyes on them. I might put one. I might give some 2 eyes, like so. I've got some different size eyes too. I forgot. I've got small eyes too. Small eyes with big pupils. Look and make it look a little wacky. Trying not to put chocolate on the gloves. And I could do one eye again on this one. I'll put that one in the middle. And I might want to put this eye, oops. And give this maybe 3 eyes. Or maybe, looks like a nose now. Alright, let's give him oh, he's upside down. Let's rescue this eye. Like that Creature on Monsters Inc. that's got like 12 eyes. You can give it one more. There we go. And this one gonna have one little eye. And then this one, I'll give him 2. And this one that's falling on the side. Let's stick this one right there. And that's good. They look quirky. And now on to we'll do green chocolate. Probably will go back to the okay, I'm going to interrupt the ending of this video because it went on for 40 minutes. So I split it in 2. You just seen the first half, and you can click the next video if I can know how to work it. It'd be up in that corner. But you can see part 2 and see how all these monster chocolate creations turned out. Something that you can make at home. Again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Have a great day.